So my first song will be a song called Something Comforting. It's a cover of I'll be doing cover of a cover. So it's Porter Robinson's original song, and James Ivey is an artist I really like, and he covered it. So it's a more like stripped down acoustic version of the song. If you've heard of Porter Robinson, you might recognize the song. And yeah, we'll begin. 3, 2. If I send this void away, have I lost a part of me? When you wake up, you're bargaining for the promise to come back. 'Cause getting made you want more, and hoping made you more. Oh, there must be something wrong with me. 'Cause getting made you want more, and hoping made you more. Someone tell me something comforting, something. But take what you want, but you're tied by the tooth. Wasn't it meant to relieve you? So suffer the signs that you needed to change, and heed all the words you've been thinking. 'Cause getting made you want more, and hoping made you more. Oh, there must be something wrong with me. 'Cause getting made you want more, and hoping made you more. Someone tell me something comforting, something, something, something. Thanks for listening. Thank you very much. I could have done that better, but appreciate everyone listening. This is careful. Oh yeah, everyone's been doing an amazing job so far, so hopefully we keep it up. And yeah, switching guitar. I appreciate saying you're the best. Did it sound okay?
Yeah, it sounded great. Yeah. Give it up.
Okay.
There. 2 seconds while I figure out what I'm doing.
Yeah, take your time. Do I have to pick? I think I have that on my pocket. If you guys are okay with like external picks, or like I'm happy to use yours too.
Yeah, we keep the picks on. We try to grab them, so. Yeah. Are you getting it? Not that.
You might have to turn up the volume on.
Yeah. Yes. Maybe just give us like a couple of strums.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. Well, everyone, my second song and my final song will be a song called Head in the Ceiling Fan by an indie rock band called Title Fight. It's a stripped back version, acoustic version of it. It's one of my favorite songs, and I play this so often that like I don't even hear the original song anymore. So I literally listened to it on my way here. I was like, oh, it sounds like that. But so here we go. Yeah. listening.